The Roborock Q7 Max Vacuum provides up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, supported by an auto-empty dock Pure that automatically empties the robot after each cleanup, storing debris in a 2.5-liter dust bag. This vacuum demonstrates powerful suction capabilities with a maximum power of 4,200 Pascals, allowing for deeper cleaning, especially on carpets, where it automatically increases its suction. The Q7 Max Plus offers twin cleaning power with its ability to vacuum and mop simultaneously, equipped with an electronic pump that provides 30 water flow levels for precise cleaning. The PreciSense LiDAR Navigation system of the vacuum allows for smarter cleaning by creating precise maps of your home and tracking cleaning routes effectively, even allowing for 3D viewing. The vacuum features a combined 470 milliliter dustbin and 350 milliliter water tank, which allows for extended cleaning without frequent emptying or refilling. With a supersized battery, the robot can last up to 180 minutes of runtime, covering a maximum vacuuming range of 3,229 square feet, ideal for large spaces.